be alright.
Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. Okay, so today I am here to tell you some benefits or some good things about winter. Like, who loves winter just like me? Like, I love winter. There are so much benefits in winter, you know. So I'll tell those benefits one by one without wasting time. Let's go to the video. Okay, benefit number one is that you can use your jackets. You can wear all those jackets above all your sleeveless tops. Benefit number two is that you can wear those full sleeve tops and you can look cute all the time. Benefit number three is that with a guy you can share his jacket. You can wear his jacket and it seems quite cute and little romantic. Benefit number three is that you look more fair than summer and monsoon. Benefit number five is that you don't smell all the time. You always be fresh. Benefit number six is that you don't sweat and you're always dried, so your hair also don't get oily. Benefit number seven is that it gets dark too early, so you have more time to sleep. Benefit number 8 is that roaming around the place at night is amazing with your friends, with your family, and having a hot cup of tea or a coffee that feeling is amazing. Benefit number 8 is that having ice cream in that cold windy nights are amazing. Who loves ice cream? Just do let me know in the comment section. Benefit number 10 is that you can keep your hair open whatever type you like, and you can wear all your tight boots, tight clothes and all those stuffs. Like, there's not a problem at all in winter. I hope you guys liked my video, and please do let me know in the comment section what all other things you love in winter. And do you also love winter just like me? Please do let me know in the comment section your point of view. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video. Please do like this video and subscribe if you like what you see so far. And please click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video, as I come every Monday and Friday. Okay, bye bye. Meet you in next video.